All right, so let's continue from where we left off from last class. We talk about quartiles and we figure out how to find quartile 1, 2, and 3. So to calculate to find quartile 2, there's 4 steps. So let's recall the steps. The first step is we reorganize our data. We find step number 2. We find the median. That would be quartile 2. So quartile 2 split the data into 2 equal parts, the upper part and the lower part. Then we find the median for each part, and that will give us Q1 and Q3. So what we're going to talk about today is that find the interquartile range. Interquartile range. What you do with that to find it is really simple. What you do is you take quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So let's recall from the last problem that we did. We have 15 test score, right? And quartile 3 is 18, quartile 1 is 10. So to find the interquartile, what you need to do is take 18 minus 10. That gives you A. So the interquartile is pretty simple. If you know quartile 3 and quartile 1, subtract them, and that will give you interquartile, right? So what can we do? This is one of the Khan Academy assignments that I would like you to work on for today. So this is the example that you want to be able to do. Is that I want you to find the interquartile. It's nice and easy if it's given to you. The problem is I'm giving you the dot plot. So what you need to do is you have to organize the data, and then you're going to figure out Q1, Q2, and Q3, right? Then you can subtract them. So this is one of the Khan Academy problems that you have to do. So here's the example. I'm going to start with rewrite this. I have 7. I have 2 number 9. I have 3 number 10. I have 1 number 11, 2 number 12, and 1 number 14. So that's how I rewrite my data. Each dot represents that number. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6. So I have 10 numbers, right? 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes. So I'm going to split it up into, I'm going to find the median. So I'm going to find Q2 first. So how we do that? I can use this. So by eliminate, so now we end up with the 10 in the middle, right? So to find a median, what I would do, add them up. 10 plus 10 give you 20, divide by 2. So the very first median in here is 10. So this is Q2. Now what you do is, I'm going to highlight this as the upper half. This is the lower half. We're going to find the middle numbers, which is the median. So in here, if you cross out the values, this is Q1. Cross out each values. This is Q3. So the question was asking for interquartile, which means Q3 minus Q1, which is 12 minus 9 give me 3. So that's the number that you will enter into your Khan Academy. There's a blank, there's a box. That's how you would do for this problem, okay? So that's the first example. The title for this assignment is called the Interquartile Range, IQR. So that's your first assignment that you should work on, okay? There you go. Here's the title.